In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline to any picture that you have in your current file. Now, I have a picture here of Simba from The Lion King, and it's really not an outline, it's more so of a stroke. So you would click on the layer, go up to the top toolbar here and hit Layer, go to Layer Styles, and basically just choose Stroke. Now here you have a lot of options. You could change the size of the stroke, the position of the stroke, whatever you would really want to try and do. Anything you want to, if you wanted to look like a certain way, you can do that. And this process goes the same with any other type of photo that you have. I mean, here you have just a random basic picture. It's nice and square. There's nothing wrong with it, and you can do the same thing and add another stroke to it. That way you have two photos with outlines, and that's how you do it. Make sure you like and subscribe for some more easy to do Photoshop tips. See ya.